Thank you. So for this time, kindly allow me to have one more performance as we welcome also our principal to give us a short address. Let's clap for our principals, please.
Good evening, our parents. I'm really grateful that we could be able to reach this point. I will not take much of your time. My name is Evans, and to some parents, maybe we almost joined Maanaim together with you. I joined at the beginning of our third term last term, but I've been in this institution for the last 15 years. And the first time I came, I've been working for around 10 years in the youth department, doing the programs in prisons and other places in terms of guidance and counseling. So in our school, I take our students through life skill. And for those we have met somewhere, especially in year 10, we had some small fight somewhere. So I called some parents directly because for us, character is the most important component in education, because if that one is not met, we cannot be able to achieve. Even if they get the best grades, when they go out of the society, they cannot be able to adapt. So in my students, I always tell them one thing. School is like, school is like a swimming pool. What about the society? It's like the ocean. Is that so? In school, it's like a swimming pool. Even though you don't know how to swim, you can at least float. Is that so? But if you go to the society after your years in school, now you enter into a society that is full of waves, full of tides. And if you are a surfer who trained how to surf, then you'll be able to enjoy those challenges. But if you don't train as you're in school, there is no other time that you get a chance for you to be able to go and train. So our school focuses on character. And also, in the same process, we open the Bible and also speak about the Word of God. Because God, in the creation, He breathed the breath of life in man. That breath of life is the connection for us, between us and God. When we listen to the Word is able to come into our hearts and also change into our hearts. I've been to many juvenile prisons, especially in Kamiti. I've been able to do program there for almost 2 years. And meeting those youngsters who are in prison is not because they are hardcore. It's not because of any situations. It's because their heart is very weak. So for our students who are in our school, I can assure you, we are able to create a path where we can be able to walk a journey together with them. This time, purposely, in their lives, in their report cards. If you open their report cards, this time I purposely put life skill as one of the subjects because most of the students did not take it very seriously. But this time, we put it in the report card. You can be able to see. This time, we did chapter 1 of the book. For those who are in year 7 plus, all the way to year 13, on admission, you received a book. Please, parents, get some time and read that book. It has only 10 chapters, and every time we are covering one chapter. So we have finished chapter 1, the heart. We are going to chapter 2, which is desire. So in this, one by one, as we study, we can be able to help them and strengthen their character and also study the Bible. One thing that I noted this time is so many of our students also, they have very different Bibles. That is why we united into one Bible, which is the New King James Version. Why? Because in all these versions, for us to be able to have clear communications, we need to read from one script. That is why we united to New King James. And also, some versions are very bad in terms of interpretation. They have taken out scriptures, they have omitted, and some classes we have checked, we have met during this term. I'm grateful. For those we could not meet, please arrange so that in the coming term, I want to be a regular communication to our parents. Our number of our school is very good. I actually love the number of our school because I can be able to know all our students. I can be able to call a parent regarding a students that we have. As you know, we moved to a new building. We are targeting to raise our number in that place to 300. But at least for now that we have the number that we can be able to manage, please use this time to strengthen our academics for our students, because as they are here, at the end of it all, you'll check at the report card and talk to us. Is that so? It will not be about character. It will not be about the mindset. It will be about the grades. But grades is not just what they are doing in their classes. We need to unify that in terms of these three pillars that we have. In their poem, they talked about the three pillars: the student, the parent, and now the teachers. Is that so? If this pillar is complete, then grades are automatic. They don't even need to struggle about it. So let us unify. I am grateful for some parents who are really checking on their books, checking on their textbook, checking on the work that they are doing. And at the end of it all, if the grades now, you can be able to see the progression and also the difference that is there in terms of grades. But today is not a day of speeches. Being the principal, sometimes also I want to appreciate and also bear some gift, especially for our parents. One, I'm grateful because of your timely payment of school fees. Because as a principal, I don't have the administrative power to keep our students in school. Is that so? If the school fees is not paid now, that becomes an administration program. So I cannot interfere with that. It burdens me a lot to send students away, maybe because they have not been able to pay up their school fees. This is December holiday, so as you go, please don't eat all the money. Think about school fees first, Cindy. Think about school fees because January is just 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks away. Is that so? We'll be able to meet here again and we'll have a conversation. So checking on our school policy, which allows the student to come in only when the school fees has been done, please don't give me a difficult time to keep the student away, okay? From now, even from today, even from yesterday, you can still start the process of paying for the school fees. And at least, even today, I want to appreciate those parents who are able to, even for next term, complete their school fees. For those, at least I can sleep resting, Cindy, because I know I don't have to, go through and also have those students not be in class or this. It gives me peace also to concentrate with them and also help them to study. So as we help them, please also help me so that they can be able to be in uniform, they can be able to be in school, and with that process, we can be able to study together. So this time, I want to, maybe in specific for the previous term and for this term, I'm not sure if I have for the parents of Zain and Tandy here. Are they here? Yes? Asanteni. I think this is the first. Can I have one of my gifts for this family first? This family has given me rest in terms of school fees for this academic calendar. So I realized the only way to gain the hearts of parents is also to establish a gift process. Is that so? So let me start with this family. I'll just give us more gifts in appreciation because you have made me to rest for this term. Yes, and next term. And another family is the family of Alvin and Ryan. Asante. Is there another one I have forgotten? Yes? Even good parents, they need to be rewarded. Sindio? Yes? Now I have 3 more gifts. The first gift is for those who know our institution very well. The name Maanaim, where does it come from? Parents, just raise up. Keep quiet. Name Maanaim. Yes? Yes? Genesis 32. Asante sana. If you open that cup, is inscribed with the one Maanaim. Maanaim is from the book of Genesis, chapter 32, verse 2. The next one is the full names of our founder of Maanaim. Student Nyamazen tafadhali. Yes? Asante sana, Pastor Oksupak. And the final one, which one is the simplest? I'm considering, even our old parents, they are not getting prizes. I'm wondering what is happening. I'm looking one for the old parents. No, why are you raising your hand, student? I have not asked the question. Yes? The last one? Can you please give me the name of our chairman for IYF? IYF is our sister organization. You see, you have not studied our institution. Yes, he is the same chairman of our Mahanaim International School. The same chairman. Yes. Oxu Park is the founder. In Kenya, here in Kenya. Our website is there. He is in the front page. He has a message there. You don't visit our site? Yes? Yeah. She is saying Bishop Gitonga. Yes? Yes. Pastor Yohan, asante sana. Please visit our website. It's very simple. Yes? mhis.ac.ke. All the details are there. The chairman's message is there. Our programs are there. All these things are inscribed in that page. Okay? So that is just an appreciation from my side. I'm really grateful that you could be able to come to this closing day for our parents. Yes, maybe we might be lacking one or two things. We moved to a new building. Over now we have closed. We need to do some refurbishment of the building so that it can be able to fit our students. We are continuously now arranging and also improving. In areas that we need positive criticism, please forward it to us, because without that we cannot be able to grow. If you feel there is somewhere that we cannot be able to achieve or reach in terms of your student, please let us know. And also if you feel your student is lacking in this area, in that area, we have that open door policy where you can be able to access our teachers for those specific subjects. Not that from the office of the principal I can be able to manage every student. If you want to have a relationship with a teacher in a specific class about your child, please let us know. Because finally, at the end of it all, you will come back, and also the only reason you refer a student here, a parent here, is because of our grades. Is that so? So I'm really grateful that we could be able to get to this chance. Allow me to finish at this point and also give back the microphone. But before I give out the microphone, as I said, I'm still bearing gifts. In terms of performance, we performed very well in our last 2023-2024, and this could not be possible without our teachers. Is that so? Yes? Can you give a clap to our teachers? Yes, there are those teachers, in terms of recognition, there are those teachers who could be able to attain at least A stars, A's in their subjects. For such teachers, we show an appreciation so that they can be able to keep the same effort going on and on and on again. Is that so? So one of the teachers that I want to recognize today is teacher Alan, who is teaching physics. Please come on stage, teacher Alan. Another teacher I want to recognize is our head of academics. He got some A's in math. Teacher Ken. Teacher Ken. Oh, you are the backstage. Also our teacher for biology and chemistry, teacher Pauline. Please come on stage. Teacher Pauline. Our teacher also for English, teacher Anne. If you see anyone on stage, they have an A in their students in the 2023-2024 examination. And finally, also we have teacher Maureen of the ICT class.
We did a group photo. We did a group photo. A group photo. A group photo. We need a group photo.
Yeah, thank you very much. We have other exams also coming in our new coming term. Also, our school now is shifting its focus on two main subjects, that is math and English. And in the next, starting from our next academic term, we'll be having the overall best students in the whole school in terms of math and English. We are preparing packages for them in terms of giveaways and also so that we can be able to motivate our student, especially focusing on the main subject that is math, English, and science. In these three subjects, if you are good in this subject, all other subjects, they follow through. Is that so? So we are sitting down with our academic team. We want to come up with a system to award our students and also recognize their effort and also what they have been able to put in terms of the work that they do. Even at home, we request our parents, please, create a system where you can be able to award as much as you are correcting, as much as you are rebuking, as much as you are interfering. Please create another system to reward. Is that so? Through that system, you can be able to do the checks and balances, and everyone can be able to feel appreciated. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Evans. Thank you for your patience so far. So we have the last dance performance from the high school section, Feliz Navidad. Let's clap for them as they come on stage.